Hello, yeah, this is David. I come back with an interesting project. So I still using that as my program ID, and now we want to control this conveyor belt. How we gonna? Whatever you press the button, this conveyor belt turn. Whatever you release, a stop. You know, but later on we're gonna create another program. Whatever we press this button, the conveyor belt is running. Whatever we press it again, it's gonna stop. So let's run this program. This is program. It's very simple. The same principle that turn on the LED is gonna turn on your motor. Let's go. So I got my LED on. Wherever I stop, my LED stop. Got my LED on. Wherever I stop, it stop.